In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect LG soundbar to Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the most common ways to connect any soundbar from LG to a Samsung TV. I'm gonna cover two methods that I believe are going to be most convenient for the people watching this video, but I'm also going to give you an alternative one. So the main methods are going to be through cables. The first one that I recommend is going to be through an optical cable. So grab a standard optical cable and you will connect them both by plugging one end into the digital audio out optical port on the Samsung TV. So usually it is going to be labeled as optical out. So just look for optical. And the other end goes into the soundbar. There is no secret to this. By establishing the physical connection using the optical cable, you will be able to listen to the audio being output on the Samsung TV through the soundbar. And this is going to be a standard connection type across all soundbar models. So even if you have an older model, you will still have this feature available. The other option is going to be through HDMI ARC. So if your particular soundbar has an HDMI out ARC port, you will be able to connect them together. So you plug one end into the HDMI ARC port and then the other one into the same port on the other device. Again, there's no secret to this. Just connect them both together and the audio will be output correctly through the soundbar. The last method that I would recommend to hook up your soundbar to a Samsung TV is going to be through Bluetooth. So if your particular soundbar model has Bluetooth, check the remote or the buttons available at the top. You will usually press a specific button to enable pairing mode, and by going over to the Samsung's TV settings, you will find the option to connect Bluetooth devices. But this is only going to work for modern soundbars and modern TVs. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect LG soundbar to TV Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.